As a corporate trainer for a large publicly traded company, we knew that we wanted to use videos, but we weren't sure how to go about that and what content we should use in our training videos. And working with Prosper Media has been great because they really guided us through videos that were going to be informative but still engaging and use the content that we really needed, but the way we present it has just been so much better than what we envisioned. And also, it's been really fun to work with Prosper Media. The process is great. They walk us through everything, really hold our hands, but it makes the process so much that I can't wait to come in and shoot videos every time that we have one that we need to shoot. Part of the challenge that we've had with videos is that we have so many different products, and having some continuity with Prosper Media, because they really educate themselves on our product, and be able to go to one company to shoot videos for so many different brands has been great. And then on top of that, they take the time to actually learn about our products so that when we come in, they've done their homework. It really makes shooting our videos so much easier.